The Climate and Development Knowledge Network is a £72 million initiative, formed in 2010, that links developing countries with experts on climate change, funded by the UK's Department for International Development and the Directorate-General for International Cooperation. Its aim is to help developing nations adapt to the consequences of climate change and build capacity for a low-carbon economy. CDKN's goal is to tailor services to the 60 countries it plans to serve in its first 5 years. CDKN's independent executive chair is Simon Maxwell. CDKN is run by an alliance of organizations headed by PricewaterhouseCoopers and including the Overseas Development Institute, a think tank on development and humanitarian issues, Fundación Futuro Latinoamericano, a non-governmental organization for sustainable development based in Ecuador, lead Pakistan and South-North. The Network Council, made up of 11 members, governs how the CDKN consortium is run. Projects. CDKN coordinates the supply of research and policy information from think tanks, NGOs and universities to governments and civil society organizations in more than 70 developing countries. Its technical assistance program acts on requests from nations and is able to tailor research to countries' demands. One of the 200 ISA projects it has already committed funds to is an initiative to help the Caribbean island of Anguilla increase the amount of energy it produces from renewable sources. CDKN contracted Washington-based renewables consultancy Castelli of Strategic Advisors to help amend the island's electricity legislation so that it could integrate renewable energy technologies into its grid. The overall aim is to decrease the island's dependence on costly diesel oil and enhance environmental sustainability. CDKN's effectiveness was evaluated by a team of experts to advise both the future funding of DFID and recommend enhancements to its role as a global leader in climate-compatible development. It recommended support to CDKN be continued to 2016. In 2015, CDKN became the co-secretariat of the Low Emission Development Strategies Global Partnership alongside the National Renewable Energy Laboratory.